In this video, I will show you how to delete account on Clue. If you're ready to delete your Clue account, here's how to do it step by step. First, open the app and tap the two-bar icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and select Support. From there, tap on Account Questions. Now, scroll down until you see How do I delete my account? Go ahead and tap that. All that's left to do is enter your password and tap Delete Account. Your data will be removed and your account will be permanently deleted. And that's how to delete account on Clue.